are the deers. And also those are the boy deers. You know, the one with the antlers. I hope there's no Rudolph.
What is?
I hope they just look like Rudolph. And also there's males, and also babies, like that one. Like that one. And also these antler deers could be very dangerous because they could fight, right? And they could attack using their hand antlers. Yeah, so you have to be very, very careful. And also this is the most dangerous animal in the world.
Hi.
This is
Hi. Hi. You're so sad. Wait. Where is?
These are the most dangerous animals in the world.
What?
Yeah, these are the most dangerous animals in the world because the
Kasuari?
also they're from Australia, England, and Malaysia.
Boy, look, boy. Boy.
And also they have very, very strong kicks.
Boy, look.
Never ever messed with this.
Wait, this?
Yeah.
Look.
And also it's a peacock.
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 Ah, beautiful bird.
Yeah. Peacock. Peacock. And also peacock has a unique beak. And also peacocks have unique.
Okay. Bye. Say goodbye.
Bye friends.
Kita mau pulang?
Bye friends. I'm gonna go home. Bye.